Everyone, how are you friends? Hope you all are fine. In this video we are going to show you a very interesting, beautiful, gorgeous, outstanding, amazing Christmas home decoration craft ideas made with simple jute rope. And these handmade crafts are easy, affordable and full of warmth. They make every home feel cozy, peaceful and ready for the holiday season. A handmade decoration is not just an item, it is a piece of love and creativity. Jute rope is a simple material, but it can become something amazing. With a little time and imagination, you can create beautiful Christmas ornaments, baskets, candles, holders, and wall decorations. Every small craft shows that great beauty can come from simple things. Handmade Christmas decoration bring a special feeling to every home and they make every corner look warm and welcoming. Family and friends always enjoy decoration that are made with care. A handmade gift is often more valuable than an expensive and because it comes from the heart. Every craft project is a chance to learn something new. Do not afraid to making mistakes. Every mistake teaches you a better way to create. Keep practicing, stay patient, and your skills will grow day by day. Decorating your home for Christmas is more than making it look beautiful, and it is about creating happy memories with your family. Working together on simple DIY crafts can bring you smiles, laughter, and into your home. Jute crafts are also good for the environment because they use natural materials, and choosing eco-friendly decoration is a small step that helps protect our planet, and small good actions can make a big difference over time. A beautiful home does not always need expensive decoration, and simple handmade craft can look elegant and unique. Creativity is more important and than money. Your ideas can turn ordinary materials into wonderful decorations. Christmas is a season of kindness, sharing, and thankfulness. While decorating your home, remember to spread love and help others whenever you can. The best decoration for any home is a heart filled with kindness. Handmade crafts can also become a fun hobby or even a small business. Many people enjoy buying unique handmade decoration. If you work hard and stay creative, your patience can grow into something successful. Most beautiful, stylish, different, amazing Christmas idea that you can watch this video. And every Christmas decoration tells a story. When you make something with your own hands, it becomes special. A simple jute rope can become a beautiful star, a lovely wreath, or a charming table decoration. Handmade crafts always add a personal touch to your home. A clean and well decorated home brings peace and comfort. Even a small decoration can change the feeling of a room. You don't need expensive supplies. Simple ideas, love, and patience are enough to create something beautiful. Making DIY crafts is a wonderful way to spend your free time. It helps you relax and forget daily stress. When your hands are busy creating something lovely, your mind also feels calm and happy. Christmas is a season of giving. A handmade gift made with jute rope is a beautiful way to show someone you care, and it is not the price of the gift that matters. The love behind it is what people remember. Nature gives us many beautiful materials, and jute is one of them. It has a natural color that looks warm and elegant in every home. Mixing jute with ribbons, pine cones, and lights creates a beautiful Christmas style. Don't compare your crafts with others. Every artist has a different journey. Keep learning, keep practicing, and enjoy every step. Your creativity is unique, and that is what makes your work special. Handmade decoration fill a home with warmth and happiness. Every family member can enjoy the fun. Children and adults can work together, love together, and create beautiful memories that last of years. Thank you so much for watching my videos. Take care and do let me know which ideas you would like to see in the next video, and don't forget to press the bell icon. Thank you so much. Take care and assalamu alaikum.